So we just looked at three different types of AI insights. Those are what you will receive inside this channel. So when they come in real time. And I'm just going to give you a heads up. Sometimes it can be overwhelming, but don't worry about it. Sit back, relax. You're not required to do anything. The AI insight comes in. You're not required to do anything. You sit back, relax, take a look at it, get used to the flow. Pull up the chart, maybe do a little additional research on your own. Talk with other people in the community, see what they're doing. Maybe you get a demo account and you place it in the demo account first, just so you get comfortable. So don't worry if the trade flow really picks up. After a while, you get used to it. And we have other features built into the community, such as Cloud Sync, which will allow you to conveniently follow the trading models without having to manually place any trades yourself.